Hello, this board is perfect for high-speed digital and noise-sensitive analog applications. There's a number of different features that I'll go over. Firstly, it will accept both a wide or narrow package, very easy to solder down. You have a prototype area that extends onto the reverse side of the board, and these plated vias allow you to bring signals through. It's on a 0.1 inch grid across, and it's a 0.05 inch in the down direction. Looking at the layout, it's very simple to start with. If you want to use it as any normal prototype board, you have the direct copper connection all the way to the pad. It's no different. All the same for each of the pins. You have extra headers that go onto the prototype area. Again, that's very useful for connecting in process, to designing some circuit and feeding out the signal onto another one of the spare pins. You can see straight away, if I was to cut this track, you can then fit a device, an 0603, an 0805, a ferrite, series resistor, capacitor, whatever you like. So the power of this board is the configurable option. It's very simple to use if you want to just do something straightforward. Its power is when you can combine the components on the other side. So you can see we've got two vias here. These vias extend through the board, they're plated. So if we were to cut this track, add a series resistor across here, we've now got a series resistor. But what if we wanted to pull up or pull down as well as this series resistor? So if I go onto the other side of the board, we can see these 2 points here correspond to the top package. So this part here can be used to put a pull-up resistor or a capacitor or whatever you like. Another useful feature of this is this ground that extends around the board. It's not connected to anything by default. If, for instance, you had a ground connection on one of your pins here, what you see is there's a direct copper connection on the other side of the board. This has a copper connection to this point here. And on the other side of the board, it's here. So if I was to bridge this across from here to here and bridge it across from here to here, we've now connected that header to the ground plane, this ground that circulates the perimeter. And once that's there, you can see how it's very easy now to bridge across here and bridge across here. If I bridge across here, what we've done is we've connected this to the ground. So it gives us that flexibility to add extra grounds onto the device. So I hope you can see the different options that are there. Really, it's for things like low-pass filters, high-pass filters. You can just use it as a normal prototype board with a little bit of area for LEDs and any other components that you wish to put on. I think it's very useful. I designed it because it's something that I've needed in the past, and it's going to be available in a range of different package sizes. This is just the standard entry-level one. It comes on a matrix, so you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 altogether. They're all, you can snap them off. Only one is shown here, but they will be reproduced in the finished item. It doesn't come with the components, so these are not fitted. There's a direct connection from this copper pad to here and then onto the PCB board. So it's a very easy way. If I was to bridge across from here to here, we've now connected this header